Gentlemen of the press and members of the public, I'm parading before you today the most wanted, vicious, and highly notorious kidnapper for ransom gang leader, Chukwudubem Onwuamadike, a.k.a. Evans, and 6 of his commanders arrested in a joint operation directed by the Inspector General of Police, IGP This the operation was led by the intelligence response team of the IGP, with the anti-kidnapping unit of the Lagos State Police Command and the technical intelligence unit of the force, under the supervision of the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Police Command. Successes were held yesterday when Evans was apprehended after an intense and a prolonged gun battle between the police special forces and the Evans gangs members. I start by reading the names of this suspect to you. 1, Chukwudubem Onwuamadike, a.k.a. Evans, is the number 1 there. Then we have Inwosu Chidoki Chukwuma, a.k.a. Sudo, for 2 years, is the 3rd in command to Evans. We equally have Suyo Paul, a.k.a. Nwana, 42 years old. We also arrested Felix Chinemeren, 36 years, who is the 2nd in command. Then we have in our custody, equally being paraded, Ikena Emeka, is 28 years. We have Usechukwu Amadi, also a member of this vicious and notorious kidnap for ransom gang. And lastly, we have Ogechi Amadi. Recover after the gun duel with these vicious and notorious criminal gangs are 5 AK-47 rifles, which we display here for you to see, 2 double-barrel long guns, equally displayed. We have 1 AK-49 rifle, 2 English pistols, and 59 AK-47 magazines loaded with ammunition. We equally have 1,272 AK-47 ammunition also recovered. Then 5 different plate number of different vehicles they use in kidnapping their victims. Presently, we are investigating into that, and we are going to recover all those vehicles used. And other weapons, as I speak with you, are still being recovered from their hideouts across the south-south, the southeast, the southwestern state, and some part of the northern Nigeria, where they are very, very active, unleashing mayhem on individuals. I want you to know abundantly that Inspector General of Police IGP Brown Idris has put in the special forces to tackle kidnapping and other violent crimes across the country, and there are any desired results. We know every single case of kidnapping in this country is being resolved with suspects arrested, effectively prosecuted. If you flash your back mind, the era of vampire was ended in the southeast, and equally, those people that kidnapped the former Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Basibu Iksi, were equally arrested, and equally those that kidnapped the Deputy High Commissioner of Sierra Leone in Nigeria were equally arrested, and the victim rescued. And equally, the Turkish school children, all the suspects were rounded up, and they are currently in court. I want to assure everybody that's here present to know that the IGP, Brabuto Idris, is doing all MNI, is deploying all the resources of the force to ensure that kidnapping in this country is a thing of the past. The arrest of Evans and his gang member is the beginning to the end of kidnapping and another violent crime in this country. I go further. The Joint Special Forces led by Intelligence Response Team, the Lagos State Police Command Anti-Kidnapping Unit, and the Technical and Intelligence Unit of the Force, under the supervision of Commissioner of Police, Lagos State, on the 10th of June 2017, swooped and raided the criminal hideout of Chukwudubem Onwuamadike, a.k.a. Evans. Evans is a native of Inewi in Inewi North local government area of Anambra State. He's a vicious and highly organized kidnapper for ransom syndicate gang leader, terrorizing and responsible for several kidnaps of notable and prominent Nigerians in Lagos State, including some western parts of the country, like states like Ogun, Oyo, Ondo, and going to Edo and Delta to the south-south and some northern states. He has his gang very active in all the states. After a continued gun duel that lasted several hours, Chukwudubem and his gang were overpowered by the superior firepower of the special forces and was rounded up. Chukwu
D. Dumife Onwuamadike, a.k.a. Evan, was first declared wanted in 2013 when he masterminded the attempted kidnap of Chief Vincent Obiano. Chief Vincent was the owner of Young Chapo. In this process, the policeman attached to Chief Vincent foiled the attack, and the process killed 3 members of the Evans group, but he lost his life at the end of the day. The chief was not eventually kidnapped. He was rescued by the police team that immediately intervened. Subsequently, Evan and his gang member keep their victim in a location that had been discovered by the joint police forces at number 21 Prophet Asaide Close, New Igado, Lagos State, until ransom is paid. He keeps his victim for up to 6 to 7 months. He takes the last couple before he releases the victims. Most of the victim pays in dollar with a list of $1 million. And in the course of the press release, I'll equally relay that to you. He never reduced his ransom and ensured that the gang members, they work in 2 groups. The people he led in the operation of kidnapping kidnap their suspected and unsuspecting victims and subsequently hand over to another gang who now go and take the victim to their hideout. So the 2 separate gangs that he operates on in every operation doesn't know themselves. So none of the gang members know his house.